How to fix slow startup and speed up your boot time instantly. Step 1. Disable startup program. Right-click the text bar. Click Text Manager. Go to the Startup tab. Right-click any app you don't need at startup. Click Disable. Step 2. Enable Fast Startup. Search Control Panel. Go to Power option. Click Choose what the power button do. Click Change settings that are currently unavailable. Check Turn on Fast Startup. Click Save Change. Step 3. Remove unused program. Press Windows +I. Go to Apps. Installed apps. Uninstall program you don't use. Step 4. Defragment or optimize drive. Search defragment and optimize drive. Select your main drive. Click Optimize. Comment below if it worked for you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Windows tips.